Hello, everybody. Chris Cowie here. Hey, is your computer getting slower? Your computer takes longer to start up. Programs lag and freeze. Simple tasks just seem like totally frustrating. You start to click and you're waiting. You restart your computer. Nothing seems to help. Well, a lot of people have these problems, and they try different PC optimizers like registry cleaners. A lot of times, these tools will make it worse. So here's the truth. Most slow computers do not need upgrades. They're slowed down by clutter and bad settings. This is how professionals fix computers. First, they remove unnecessary programs, clear startup apps and temporary files. Next, they adjust the settings that improve performance. Not risky changes, no guessing. Then they protect your system so it's fast. Avoid common mistakes and follow the simple maintenance routine. So the method that I created is called Windows Speeds Reset. It's a great course. It uses clean, safe process. There's no registry cleaners, no technical skills required. You also get a guide that shows you what not to touch so you don't break anything. Before you replace your computer, try this. So fix your Windows PC the professional way. Go ahead and click below on the link to get started.